Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. This is one of our favorite days because we're preparing to go hiking, and so we know that when you're hiking, if you have bad weather or things get hard, trail mix is always really important and makes things better. But I want to differentiate between trail mix and snack mix. Trail mix is something that as you're hiking along, you can add to your stomach and get some more energy, and it just makes you go longer and more comfortably. The snack mix is stuff that has empty calorie sugars and all the chocolates and things that we like when we're just sitting around the campfire. So if you're hiking, let's stick with the trail mix. If you're sitting around the campfire enjoying conversation with others, then snack mix is what you want to make. So we've got all of our trail mixes and our snack mix ingredients set out so that we can put together something that each individual likes. We've got our nuts and seeds over here. And as you move across, we've got grains, and this is some kind of granolas. Then we've got dried fruits and raisins and dates and those types of things. And then as you get over into your snack mix, we've got Reese's and we've got chocolate chips and all kinds of stuff that is good for snacking. As you get everything laid out here, it's really great for people that have allergies or they don't like one of the fruits or they don't like a different type of nut. They can put into their trail mix the things that they really like. So we're going to make a trail mix and a snack mix. Let me show you what I like. So when we start doing this as family and friends, we separate everything into bowls so that you don't cross-contaminate for allergies and different dislikes and likes. So for my snack bowl, I still like some type of a granola. I'm going to use an almond butter cluster. Just put a few of those in. Then we'll add some caramel, white chocolate, milk chocolate, and a few dark chocolate. Then I'm going to add some additional nuts. I like my walnuts, and I have some shelled pistachios. Now I want to add a little bit of fruit. We'll add some dried mangoes in here and some dried apple. Put those in. And finally, I'm going to add some honey roasted peanuts. So the honey roasted would definitely be in the snack part and not in your trail mix because of the processed sugars. Mix that up, and we're ready to go. That looks like a great snack mix for me. So when I'm hiking, I prefer to start with some grains in my trail mix. So we'll just add some almond butter cluster grains, pistachios. Here's some pumpkin seeds, lightly salted. I like some cashews and walnuts, so we'll just add some walnuts. And for a little sugar, I'm going to add some coconut chips. Great stuff. And finally, a few almonds. I'm going to top it all off with some of our freeze-dried apples, and that should keep my energy and my attitude on the positive side. I hope that you'll do this for yourself. Thank you so much for the gift of your time in watching our videos. We hope that you'll try this, and we hope that you'll join us again at OSMEtv. Great stuff, just how I like it.